Hello and welcome to my channel. So we traveled to Lachung from Calcutta. That's about 1800 kilometers in this 11-year-old Mahindra XUV 500. The videos for the same are up on Amina's channel, but I want to show you what's happened to the entire engine bay area while we were on this trip and how dirty it's become. So let's go check it out. So I have taken off the engine cover, which you will be able to see. You can see the intercooler, right, and how dirty it's become from all the off-roading that we've done. And there is, I don't know, some sort of a leak here because there is grime that's coming out from that place. We don't know what kind of leak that is. You can look at the condition of the engine bay. The car was washed from the outside but not from the inside. Okay, we're gonna burst some myths today. You can wash your engine with water. Even Mahindra's manual says that you can wash your engine with water. We are not just gonna wash it, we are gonna degrease it as well. So I'll show you how are we gonna degrease it and how we're gonna wash it going forward, and how you can effectively wash any car's engine or degrease any engine bay. We are going to use this engine degreaser by Waxpol, and in bold letters it is written, do not use on painted surfaces, which some people have done. They have used it on their Royal Enfield and then they're complaining of, paint chipping off. It also says shake well. So we will be now spraying this on the engine and showing you the entire process of cleaning the engine. Just a quick disclaimer, I have not used this before, so I don't know how it performs. This would be the first time me using it as well and giving you the review on how it has worked out for me. You can look at the condition of the engine again. There is a lot of grease, grime, dirt. We have just switched on the engine, so we have to warm it up a little bit. Make sure engine बहुत गर्म नहीं है. It should not be heated. It should be just warm before we apply the degreaser. You can use the spray bottle. We are going to use the pump to spray it on the entire engine. Bhai is going to do it for us. We are gonna cover the entire engine like this, and then उसको हम लोग छोड़ देंगे for 4-5 minutes, and then we have to rinse it with water. So it's done. We'll leave it for like 4-5 minutes and then rinse it with water. Low pressure. सबसे important point है low pressure. High pressure देने से it gets into the sensors and that could be a problem, but low pressure is not a problem. So once we rinse it with water, we'll show you what the outcome is and if the product's working or not. So it's air dried now. You can look wherever there is rust, it's pretty clear. The engine grime that was here, it's all gone. Look how clean it has become right now after the wash. In the silver parts, you couldn't see them earlier. So it's been a great wash, and AutoZone helped us do this. As you could see from the entire video, we did a thorough engine wash, which was followed by just a basic wash of the exteriors, which we did not cover. So I'm just going to start the engine now. Starts in one click. There is no issue with the engine at all, right?